So today we are going to practice another Leetcode problem, which is L.C.P. stands for longest common prefix. So let's read the question first. It says write a function to find the longest common prefix string amongst an array of strings. If there is no common prefix, return an empty string. Example. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to return the common prefix as a output, and we have given an array of string as input. So for example, we have given an array of string as input. Let's say getting here array strs is equal to use comma aditya comma arrow. So this is what we have given as a input, and what we have to do is we have to find the longest common prefix from this array of string. So output will be, as you can see, that double A is common in every string in array, so our output will be AA. So this is what we have to do. You can see here there are more example given here. It says str is equal to array of string given here flower, flow, flight, and we have to find the prefix which are common. So you can see that FL is common in every string, so that will be our output. So let's get into the code. So before writing code, I will explain what I am going to do in the code. Let's write step 1. Step 1 will be we have to find the shortest string from an array of string. This will be our first step. Now step 2 is we have to compare every other string with the shortest string. Okay. Step 3 will be if we got any prefix common in all, then we will return the common prefix as a output. And one more thing, we have given here another condition too. It says if there is no common prefix, return an empty string. So we have to write a condition for this too, separate condition. Step 4, if basically this is the condition. That's all we are going to do in the code. Okay, so let's get into the actual code. I'll erase this, so I will write down here the code. So first I will create a variable empty string and I will store empty string into the variable. Okay, first I am writing the code, then I will explain what I have written the code. Okay, line by line. If what strs return empty string. Then I will create variable shortest string is equal to length. I will store length of strs of 0 for I in range 1 comma length of strs shortest string is equal to minimum shortest string comma length of strs I. Then I will create another for loop for I in range 0 comma shortest string. I will create another parent is equal to strs of 0 of I enter for j in range 0 comma then strs of I. Okay, if strs of j of I not equal to current, then return empty string otherwise empty string will be updated or incremented to current. Okay, return empty string. So this is the code. So what I have written here is I have first created here empty string variable which hold empty string. Okay, this one. Now I have written this condition: if there is no common prefix, return an empty string. If not str, return empty string. So what empty string hold? This double quotes. So it will return double quotes. Okay, then I will separate this code here. Okay, now I have created another string so which I have given a name shortest string. So what this variable hold is, it will hold the shortest string from an array. So I have stored the length of the first string from an array. So because we want to find the shortest string from an array, so we need a any value which we are compared to which we can compare to another value. Then we can find out that this which string is shortest and which string is not. What I have done here now here is for I in range 1 comma length. Okay, so now here we are finding the shortest string from an array. Okay, this is what we have, this is what the code does. This code will find the shortest string from an array. Let's take example so you will understand more clearly. So let's say I have given okay, let's say it's strs is equal to okay, this is what we have given. So we have given an array strs which hold 3 string value Ayush, Adit and Aro. Okay, so now we will first step, what was that? Step one was that we have to find the shortest string from an array. Shortest string, how can we say that this string is shortest? The string which have less length. So we will see whose length is small. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5. So shortest string is Ro. Okay, so this is what this code does. So first I will take, so shortest string is equal to, first I will create variable shortest string. So now I will take a default value, you can say. So I will take Ayush. Okay, here Ayush. Now I will take this Ayush and compare with this string value which is Adit. So shortest string hold the length of the string. So you can see the length of the string. So what is the length of Ayush? Length of Ayush is 6, I think. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So length of string is 6. Now I will compare with this string value which is Aditya. So this here you can see that minimum we are actually comparing the two string value and finding the which are shortest string basically. Okay, so Adit, I will compare it with this. So the length of Adit is 3 3 6 and 7. So which is minimum, 6 or 7? So Ayush is the shortest string from if we compare with Adit. Okay, now I will compare Ayush with Aro and we will see which one is shortest string. So Aro has length of 1 2 3 4 5. So 6 is 6 is less than 5? No, 5 is less than 6. So here we will store 5. So shortest string will be Aro. So this is what we have done into the code here. Okay.